and stamy things with Dave and Minx as we tell you a haunting tale.
Welcome, come to our wonderful town.
Welcome, come, we are humble and proud.
It's the happiest place
With a circular space
where we all come together and sing. La, la, la.
We be living in a pilgrim house with a building's thatched roofs. You can chill, relax, cause nothing bad ever happens in this town. Nothing bad ever happens in this town.
But when the town goes to sleep, you can hear the sound of something devious, of something quite mysterious, lurking in the dark.
Do you have the knife?
Yeah man, tonight someone's gonna be mad in the afterlife. Gonna be the cleanest dirt nap the mafia class can bring.
And they won't suspect a thing.
Help, help, the sheriff is dead. Either that or he's really sleepy and red.
Well, I was on the lookout and I saw those guys sneak into his house at night.
We're innocent.
All in favor of death, say aye. We'll sleep soundly tonight.
Cause nothing bad ever happens in this town. Nothing bad ever happens in this town.
But when the town goes to sleep, you can hear the sound of something devious, of something quite mysterious, lurking in the dark.
But not for long, I'll add fuel to the fire by turning the town to a funeral pyre. Got a burning ambition and the last of the gas on this dash with a smash. This is time for ignition.
Help, help, the lookout's house is in cinders. I told the guy to stop using Tinder. I'll investigate. Hey, I am felon arsonist, gas.
Pardon me?
What, you're not that? I mean, you set the fire, hang her immediately. I'll say aye, fine, and we can be free. Cause nothing bad ever happens in this town. Nothing bad ever happens in this town.
But when the town goes to sleep, you can hear the sound of something devious, of something quite mysterious, lurking in the dark.
It's dead frosty out cause I'm a serial killer. One stab and no investigator left to turn me in. And it's on to the next house to attack.
You stepped right in my veteran booby trap. I saved the town, I saved the town. Wait, is anybody else around?
Me, I'm a medium and it's just us.
What a painful, lonely existence. Can you ask how the afterlife is?
The whole town's there reunited, and every single one of them is saying it's great there.
And it's time for some euthanasia.